Packaging. It's all around us, but often overlooked, undervalued, and discarded once a product is removed. Many times, packaging can be as impactful as the contents it holds. Designers and manufacturers are constantly working to meet ever-changing consumer demands by offering packaging that allows for more economical and customizable options.
Consumers are bombarded by the choices they have, and they're looking at particular brands and products that are going to appeal to them personally. This may take in the shape of graphics or how easy it is to open a package, but also it's very important because there's key factors on a package that all consumers want to know. So whether that's nutritional information, safety information, and how to use the product appropriately.
Established in 1987 and headquartered in St. Charles, Illinois, CartonCraft is a family-owned industry leader in innovative, sustainable packaging solutions. Specializing in food and medical-grade packaging, CC designs, manufactures, warehouses, and ships American-made folding cartons to any location, with a myriad of options to suit every product and budget.
Our mission is to create the world's finest packaging for cartons and or anything that needs to go into a package. It's hard to imagine a world without packaging because everything that's made by anybody else has to go into something else to be retail level perfect. So that's our goal, is to make the world's best packaging.
At CartonCraft, we always take pride in listening to our customers' values and goals to achieve the package they ultimately want to perceive in these stores and retail chains. We care about quality, we care about listening to our customers, and how to safely transport this package to get the end result that these customers want.
So sustainability is an all-encompassing thing for us. It starts with, where we get raw materials. So we could buy paper from anywhere in the world, but we choose to work with suppliers who are responsible about the way that they harvest that actually turn into paper at some point. But certainly in our manufacturing facility, we're trying to find the most energy efficient equipment that we can. So we're retiring old assets and bringing in new ones. It's 2 to 3 a year, which is, it's a high cost to the company, but it's worth it because we have to get ready for the next several decades of manufacturing.
CartonCraft's commitment to producing safe, sustainable packaging impacts the things we all use every day for a vast array of industries that connect with millions of people across North America.
CartonCraft makes a difference in packaging because we listen to our customers, we understand their requirements and what their needs are before we begin the execution process of developing packaging. So we initially start with the paperboard that's going to be utilized and the caliper that's required to hold the carton. Some cartons are machine filled, some are hand filled. So it all depends on how the carton's going to be packed and where the package is going to be displayed. And that's how the package begins.
So a lot of the packaging that we make is for medical and pharmaceutical products. And one thing that's really important is that consumers can have a high degree of confidence that the product is authentic. So we have some really cool, innovative anti-counterfeit measures that we take here internally to make sure that, customers know that they have an authentic product.
Everything that we do is consuming something that's already here. And our job is to make sure that when we use something, a resource of any kind, is that it's replenishable and that our customers are also able to do the right thing when it comes time to recycle those items. So we want to use the products that are safe and friendly to the planet. We have to be here a lot longer. It's going to be the next generation, and after that our grandkids and so on. So we want to make sure that one of our goals is to always do the right thing as far as sustainability.
I think CartonCraft is going to continue to grow with great customers in the food and pharmaceutical industries. So most of our customers, are producing products that people touch every day. They're on store shelves across the country, and most of them are in food and pharmaceutical. We also do a lot in health and beauty, beverage, and other personal care products, but I think you'll continue to see us grow there with great customers.
Packaging is more than just a box. It's part of how we all interact with brands and products every day, and it can be manufactured in a smart and sustainable way. Learn more today about CartonCraft and experience the difference. For more information, go to cartoncraftinc.com or call 630-377-1230.